We've got a thumbs up. Drivers behind the lines in 3, 2, 1, go.
Qualifying match number 10, we have Robowranglers and Purple Haze plowing through the neutral zone, collecting fuel as Gortz unloads into the Blue Alliance hopper. Red Alliance human players trying to score for Red as Purple Haze score into the blue hub. We go into teleoperated mode. Purple Haze and Robowranglers refilling their hoppers as the Red Alliance hub is active. Metal jackets on the Red Alliance feeling a little blue. They're all alone, but they're holding their alliance together. Human players continue to score in the Red Alliance hopper as we switch over to the Blue Alliance shift. Robowranglers getting a jump on the shift change, and they empty their entire robot into the hub post-haste. They refill in no time and score again. Purple Haze continuing to try to reload in the neutral zone as Robowranglers just won't stop. Their robot Tempest is bringing the storm of fuel raining down as we shift over to the Red Alliance. Red Alliance human players lobbing fuel at the hub, making most of their shots. Who says robotics isn't sports? Robowranglers refilling their robot, getting every last fuel they can fit as they charge over to the Blue Alliance, line up their shot, and they make every single one into the hub. They refill and go again, missing only a few from the far corner of the field. By far the most efficient robot on this field at refilling. 30 seconds left in the match as we go into the end game. Both hubs are active. Robowranglers just missing the Blue Alliance hub. Returning to the outpost and unloading another robot full into the blue hub. Blue Alliance almost hitting 200 points with 5 seconds remaining. 3, 2, 1. And that's the match.